they push him off the boat. Is that so silly? They go on the boat and they take the arm and they push him off the boat. Is that right? What are you doing? Are you going to visit the plane? Are you going to take the plane and push him off the boat? Are you going to push him off the boat? You take those planes and push him off the boat. That's silly. That's so silly.